Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you are stuck on the Google account verification screen on your Samsung A16, you've encountered the security feature known as Factory Reset Protection, or FRP. This screen is designed to prevent unauthorized use by requiring the previous owner's credentials, which can be a digital nightmare if you've forgotten your login details or bought a previously used device. To regain access to your Samsung A16, we recommend using a professional and reliable toolkit called PassFab Android Unlock. This software is a highly recommended all-in-one solution specifically built to bypass the Google FRP Lock on nearly all Samsung models without requiring any previous credentials. To get started, download and install the software on your computer using the link in the video description below and launch the program to see the main interface. Select the Remove Google Lock FRP option, choose Samsung as your brand, and select the correct Android version for your device. Connect your Samsung A16 to the computer with a USB cable, and once it is detected, click on Remove Now to begin the removal process. The software will automatically start removing the lock, and while your phone may restart several times during the procedure, this is completely normal. Once the process is finished, your Samsung A16 will reboot to the setup screen, and you will notice that the Google sign-in step can now be skipped, allowing you to proceed normally. In just a few seconds, you'll be back on your home screen with full access restored. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.